this video you can see how do you use Bardeen in not the usual way where, like, Bardeen does all the back heavy lifting for you, but how do you do it like a pro, like, okay. So here we go. Here we were scraping Bassumo. All right. Yes, so here we were scraping Bassumo, right? So all I wanted to get is the influencers Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter, etc. Right? So I'll call it personal development. We could do this. Okay. Now, usually what Bardeen makes you do is this. You click on here, new scraper, comes to the list, Bassumo dummy. So basically, you select configure manually, select 2 items basically, I think, yeah. Then you go to click pagination and you select the next button. And then you select 2 elements. One element is here, for example, you get the text, and then the second element, right? Something like that. Actually, you need to do list, first configure manually, second item, click pagination, then you select this, get the text, yeah, and you get everything, right? Then you would get the link, perfect, okay. And like this until here it can work, okay. But then when you try to get the Instagram, right, it's gonna work for this page, but for all the other pages the structure may change, because if we go, how do they find the Instagram here, right? These are the CSS selectors, like the nth child or whatever, right? Like already there's a number there. It's not very robust because this number can change, like in the structure, right? Already based on the words that are in the that like Bassumo is advertising you, this nth child could be 6th child or whatever child, okay? So we're not gonna do it like that, and I'm not doing it like that. The way that I'm doing it is the way that I developed it here, and I'm gonna show you how to do it in a second. So as you can see, right, the title and the link always works, is pretty robust because pretty much always that. But the Instagram, for example, to make it more robust, all we did, we went to ChatGPT, all right, and you just ask for a CSS selector of an anchor link that has actually an XPath selector of an anchor link that contains Instagram in the href, okay? Now, how did I came to this conclusion? I just came here, click on inspect element, and I selected the Instagram. So as you can see, there is an Instagram here, right? So it's an anchor link with an Instagram. Now, the level at which you're gonna have your CSS selector here, right? Why there is a double, like basically it's gonna be double slash, because in front of it, I think by default, is gonna place the main wrapper,